Let's go, family. It's your man, DeAndre Saxon, back for another video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about how I make $300 a day in software affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. I just started affiliate marketing less than 30 days ago. And just last week alone, I brought in $10,000 in software, something that I stumbled across. So by the end of this video, I'm going to be taking you behind the curtain so that you could do the same exact thing in your own affiliate marketing business. And before we get started, you probably have no idea who I am. So let me show you some proof and show you exactly what's going on here. So this is my Go High Level. And by the way, I don't sell Go High Level as my software. You might be thinking that. This is how I track my sales. So we can see right here that this is, by the way, this is last week. So you can see I brought in 15 leads. So a total of a little under $4,000 in something called MRR, okay? Monthly recurring revenue. This is something you're going to want to learn in software affiliate marketing because this is money I get paid every single month stacking, okay? And then I have a $6,500 that came in as distributors. Distributors are people that want to resell my software, and so they pay a little fee for that as well. So you can see that's over $10,000 that I brought in just last week alone, which is a lot more than $300 a day. But I wanted to just, under promise and over deliver for this video. And it's not just me that's bringing in this revenue. You can see this here. This is my first promoter. This is where we track our sales for our team. So one thing I wanted to show you here is I'm going to go to, and you can see that this is actually live. I'm not faking this. Some people be doing weird things. I'm going to come here. I'm going to show you sub-affiliates. These are people, real people that are getting paid. So this is Eric Alvarez. You can see he brought in $2,200 in revenue this week, and he's owed a little over $1,100. And then this is Fred, who brought in $1,000 in revenue, and he's owed about $500. Now you can see the commission structure is 50%. So these two people right here that are just joined as distributors in our software business, they're getting paid 50% of the monthly recurring revenue that they generate in our software. There's no other softwares out there like that are allowing people to bring in $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 per week in software business. So without further ado, I just showed you the proof. I showed you exactly what I'm doing. So let's get into today's content. Yeah. So how I make $300 per day, actually more, but it's okay, in software affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. So what is software affiliate marketing? Software affiliate marketing is basically where you make an MRR. This is something you're going to want to learn, especially watching my channel. Make sure you subscribe below. I'm going to be teaching you everything. I literally am not holding anything back. I don't have a course. I'm giving you the course away for free on this YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe. But MRR stands for monthly recurring revenue. It's a word you're going to want to learn. And so what happens is you earn an MRR by referring people over to a SaaS product. SaaS stands for software as a service. What are some examples of software as a service? Think of Netflix. If you're in the marketing space or online space, you might think of ClickFunnels, Go High Level, right? These are online softwares where most people, what they will do is these softwares will offer a free trial where somebody can start on a trial, and then afterwards, if they want to continue to keep access to that service, they will pay a fee, and that's the service, right? So most people have never heard of something called software affiliate marketing, where you can get a portion of that monthly recurring revenue that the person will pay for that referral. Now, some people have, like for example, ClickFunnels offers some things, but no people are actually scaling this at a level that you can make $10,000 to $30,000 a month as a complete beginner without having marketing skills or building funnels and running ads or anything crazy like that. So let's check this out. So I just showed you the proof. And so what are some of the benefits of running a software affiliate marketing business? The number one thing is you're going to have monthly recurring revenue. Guys, this is so key here that I absolutely love. Monthly recurring revenue, which means that right now, what I just showed you was $4,000 a month in MRR that I just added last week to my business. So that means that every time people are paying for this software, I get paid a commission for that. So let's just say the MRR, you get 50% commission on that. That means $2,000 a month, $4,000 a month, whatever your commission structure is on whatever software you're selling, that comes in every single month. So if you're coming from traditional affiliate marketing where you're selling a one-off product or a course where you just get a one-time sale, not with this, not with software, because they're going to be paying for it every single month. So it's not a one-time sale. You get to stack your monthly income, which is a massive benefit that most people never talk about. Second benefit is you have no customer fulfillment. Guys, I started in the coaching space. I earned over 7 figures in mindset coaching. Guys, when somebody would pay me $10,000 for coaching, the moment they paid me is the moment my work started. I had months of work that I had to do consulting that client, not in software, affiliate marketing. When the client pays, that's when you're done, because that's when they start using the product, they start using the service, and that means that you go off and do your own thing. The software services your client, and then you go on about your day. So you have zero customer fulfillment because the software does it for you. Completely different from most coaching and other types of business models. Third benefit here is you only need to sell a free trial. There's no sales skills needed. Guys, coming from the coaching space, I've done thousands of high ticket sales calls having to do sales skills. But when I got started in as a beginner in affiliate marketing, I don't have to hop on calls with people. I don't need to do DMs. All they had to do is start on a free trial. All they have to do is drive traffic to a free trial. People get started, and that's it. The software does the selling for me. Because I found a software that sells at such a high level, I've been able to convert a lot of the people on the free trial. And the fourth and final benefit is that it's beginner friendly. So what are some of the results that you can see in your life? You can see time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom. These are the biggest keys that I always look for in a business model. I want something that I can run online, that I can be anywhere in the world. I can be in Medellin, Colombia. I can be in Dubai. I can be in Thailand. And then I can have my time. Guys, when I was in the coaching space, I have over 400 people that paid me for my mindset coaching. Guys, I was almost a slave to that business because when they paid me, I had to be there to service my clients. Not in this business model. I brought in the same amount of money last week as I would have to do with a coaching client, and I would have to coach that client for at least 6 months. Not in software. I brought in that money and I'm completely done. These clients are paying for their software. They're happy. They're getting the results, and I have my time freedom. I have location freedom because I can live anywhere in the world. And I have the financial freedom that I'm beginning to build, stacking it every single day that I enroll clients. Now, how can you get started in something like this? So here's the first step you're going to want to do. You're going to want to find a winning software product to sell. You have to find it. There's ClickFunnels, there's Go High Level. The one that I sell is completely like scaling to the moon. And that's honestly how I was able to do it as a beginner with not a big social media following. Is you're going to want to find a winning software product to promote. Second thing, you want to make sure that it has a free trial. I would not be able to do this unless the software had a free trial, because they have to be able to test the software that they're going to be buying. Third is you got to understand your MRR commissions. Remember, MRR stands for monthly recurring revenue. What's your commission structure? Is it 20%, 25%, 30%, 50%? A lot of companies are not offering 50%. Now, luckily, I found a company that offers 50% of the monthly recurring revenue, which I'll talk about here in a second. Fourth is you want to drive traffic to the free trial page, right? You can drive traffic via content, an email list, ads. There's many ways that you can drive traffic, but you want to get all those people over to a free trial and make sure they sign up and start using the service. The next one is you want to convert those leads with a follow-up system. Make sure that the company you work with has a really good follow-up system, whether it's emails or retargeting ads, or you have your own email marketing campaigns. You want to find a way to convert those leads and those free trials over to paying customers. And six is you want to collect your monthly recurring revenue. It sounds that simple, and trust me, it really was. When I was showing my friends this Instagram growth software that I've been using, and I signed up 17 people my first week, and they're like, yo, how are you making so much money? And I showed them what they're doing. They're like, yo, I want to start this as well. And that's when I started this opportunity of becoming a distributor with the software directly, because I work with the company directly. And people were and I showed you Eric, I showed you Fred, these guys that are making money also selling the software. So what can you do right now to get started in software affiliate marketing? So you have two options. Option number one is you want to test a free trial of the software that I used to make 10 grand last week alone in my own business. And you can test this for yourself. So in the description below, there's a link. You can sign up for a free trial. Like I said, I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. Sign up for the free trial, test out the Instagram growth software yourself. And I have some other videos on my channel talking about the actual software. I'm showing you more of the business model in this video. So subscribe below, check out my other videos. Check out the link in the description below. Try the free trial and see if it's something that you want us to begin promoting. Second thing that you can do is you can apply to be part of my distributor team. So what you saw when I showed you Eric's commission of $2,200 this week, and I showed you Fred's commission of $1,000, those are people that are in my distributor program where they're getting 50% of the monthly recurring revenue. And I show them step by step how to scale their software affiliate marketing business to the next level, how I was able to stack 10 grand a week into my monthly recurring revenue, and how you can do the same. If that's something that you want to do, what you can do is I'll teach you exactly how to scale to 30,000 a month in monthly recurring revenue in the software affiliate marketing space. What you'll do is look at the link in the description below, go to my Instagram. I've created a brand new Instagram account, and you can message me the word SaaS, SaaS, so software as a service, on my Instagram, and we can book a call, and I'll tell you more about the distributor program. Yes, there's a little bit of coaching into it, but really what it's about is teaching you how to scale your software business, giving you higher commissions on the software, and how to be able to make a full-time income from your phone, laptop, and have time, location, freedom, and have that freedom that you've always wanted. So if this video was valuable for you, I know it's more of a what video. In the next videos, I'll be showing you how to do some of this stuff. I can only make one video at a time. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Hit those links in the description below. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.